I'm at Walnut Creek Cheese this morning and it's quite empty. It's a Monday morning, first thing kind of, and I wanted to get some groceries before Nick leaves this afternoon. I ran over here, also Sweetwater Farm. You guys have heard me talk about Walnut Creek Foods a lot. This is their store that they have. If you're not familiar with what we're doing, we're up here for a while this summer. So I wanted to just kind of show you around the store a little bit and show you what they have. This one is in Walnut Creek and it is definitely the biggest one. It's just a huge variety of different things all in one. They have groceries, they have canning section, they have housewares, decor, they have a cafe upstairs, so many things. So definitely make a stop here if you are touristing, and I know the locals obviously know about it. There's also one in Berlin, a smaller location if you want to go there. But yes, I love working with Walnut Creek Foods. If you do not have locations near you, you can check them out online. They do service a lot of like bulk food stores, delis, maybe some gas stations here and there. They'll service those all across the United States, not in every state, but most often you'll find them in like Mennonite Amish communities. And this is like their home base. Distribution centers here. They also make a lot of products themselves, but I always like to come here when I'm up here because there's just so much more here, and I grew up using their product. I will continue to show you all around, and if you do want to shop online, use my code Lynette for 10% off your online order. Thank you to Walnut Creek Foods for sponsoring today's video.
Where are you? Where are you?
I'm at a very beautiful place to show you. Looky here.
Mama.
Look at that. My mom and dad are out in Montana actually right now, so she FaceTimed us.
No.
Wanted to see the girls a little bit.
Girls?
They're having a really good time. Yeah, we talked to Grandma, right? Did we talk to Grandma?
Yeah.
Yeah. At the end of this week, actually, Nick and I and his brother Lyndon and his wife Vonda are going to take a little jaunt to Colorado, actually, for a couple days. Just explore a little bit. We'll fly into Denver and go to Colorado Springs, and then after that, we're not sure yet. We have like 3 full days out there. We're actually driving to Cincinnati. That's where they're flying out of. So no kids this time. The girls are going to stay with my sister, Kara and Trent. And the boys are going to be split between Nick's parents and my uncle and aunt, grandma, whoever, kind of. They'll just kind of float between the two. So yeah, we're very excited about it. Just have a little getaway. Are you excited to go to Kara's house and play with Cohen?
Yeah.
Yeah. See, that'll be so fun. Kara said they might go to the zoo. Do you know what a zoo is? You haven't been to one. Oh, yes, you have. You were in South Carolina. You were in one.
Yeah.
Lots of animals. Mm-hmm. So, anyway, I don't think I'm going to be vlogging the whole trip. I will probably give a little bit of a recap. I decided I'm going to just enjoy the trip. But I know myself well enough that I'm still gonna want to document a little bit. I won't do like a full vlog of Colorado, I don't think, but I'll kind of give you guys a little bit of a peek as to what all we did. So another time I had grabbed these pie crusts from Walnut Creek Cheese because I thought I could maybe do like a really easy cream pie or something. So I'm thinking I'll do a peach pie. I have some filling that I grabbed in Charm, and so I'm going to put that, these are unbaked, so I'll bake the crust first, and then I'll put the peach filling, and then I will put whipped topping on top. So we'll have that for maybe later tonight. Harper. She always goes, "See you later, alligator." Then she even did, "After a while, crocodile." She doesn't say it quite plainly, you know, but I should get her to tell you guys how it sounds. I don't even know if this is going to be like a really good pie or not. I mean, like, I don't feel like you hear about peach pies as much. Maybe I should make some type of cream filling to go with it. I made myself an Amish peanut butter sandwich. I'm just using the stuff I bought from Walnut Creek Cheese, but you can also make it yourself. But this is what we used to have at the Amish like church lunches growing up, and they still have this to this day. At least here in Holmes County they do it this way. Put meat and cheese, and it's like a creamy peanut butter spread. Very unhealthy, but this is what they do. It's traditional. Then also you put some cheese on it, and I don't have any pickles, but they also put pickles on it. So, yummy. We are heading over to my grandma's because I'm going to put Harper down for a nap there. That way Oakland has something to occupy herself with this afternoon. She loves being with the goats and the chickens and stuff over there. There's just more to do. There's a trampoline. The boys are over there somewhere, so I'll take my work along with me and just do it over there while Harper naps. But I did bake my pie crust, so I'll put it together then tonight. I'm going to randomly show you guys this backpack that I got off of Amazon, kind of for our Colorado trip, but also I just wanted like a backpack that's more comfortable. This one has like so much storage, and you can open it all the way down, like kind of like a mini suitcase almost. The mesh pockets. This one's like lined, so you could put your like shower gels and things in there. Then there's this one. This one has space for like a computer if you want that. And then you have another one in the front here. Obviously you have like a mesh side gusseted pocket, and on the other side there's a handle so you can hold it the other direction. It also has place to put it over like a suitcase handle. So if you want to, you know, use it as a carry-on, you just stick this over the handles of your carry-on suitcase if you want. It's very affordable, has so much room. I also had purchased this one a while ago. This is like the knockoff bog bag. It's the Simple Modern version. And I actually really like it because like these straps fold in like this, and it was definitely cheaper than the bog bag. And this is like the XL. It has a zipper pouch that you can store stuff in. Obviously this is like geared for a beach bag, which is perfect because you can wash it out. Super durable. Literally, it's really, really good. It has grippers on the bottom, and it holds so much stuff. But I've been using it for other stuff, not really even beach related. It's just one of those really handy bags to have even in the car. You could keep it in there with all kinds of stuff in there. But I'm going to link both of those in case you're looking for something for road trips or summer beach stuff or whatever.
I need to find these, Mom.
You know, I've talked about my tea that I would love to have in Florida. I think I should somehow take some down. This is like the fuzzy leaf kind. It feels fuzzy. And I should actually go in and make some. What you doing, girls?
Feeding the goats.
You're feeding the goats again. Here's our old Gravely tractor. I used to mow yard with this thing and we'd go all over the place with it. We also had a zero turn then later in my teen years, but...
No. Oh.
Hey, hey, what's he trying to do?
He's bucking the fence because the goats are not allowed to have any.
They seem to like these. I don't know why.
Come with you. Let him have something else. You can't eat it. I wish they did.
What did they do? Did they hit you?
Yeah.
They did.
No.
Down where that pond is, you can't see the cabin. It's around the corner there, but that's actually where I was born. So it's all kind of like on the same area here where my grandparents live. It's been sold like years ago already, but yeah, it was a log cabin. My parents added like an addition to the back of it, and I think the cabin had been moved from somewhere else. It was like the type with the actual chinking and stuff in it. So I moved out of here when I was like 7, I think. So I didn't really grow up here, but I did sort of, in the sense that we came back to visit a lot.
Great.
The hair.
I'm not happy flaking. Laying an egg. Spray these?
Well,
Okay.
spray all over this rose here, all of it.
This?
Yeah, there. Then bring it up here on the porch again, put on that new one. Look at the yellow cat.
What?
Oh, he's peeking out of the beans over there.
Look at the kitty cat.
He's hiding. What are you doing, Harper?
I close to it.
You're gonna spray? These.
Not looking.
Gonna do these over here.
If I do this?
Nope. Look, there's the Canada geese over there. You can see the cabin a little bit back in there through the trees. Alright, I am taking the girls home. The guys are golfing. Not sure when they're going to be done. And my mother-in-law is going to stop in for a little bit. She hasn't seen our little Airbnb yet, and she's on her way home. So she's going to stop in here shortly. But I also need to make the peach pie yet tonight. Put it together, that is. I made the cream stuff at Grandma's, and then I need to put it together. So we'll have a little dessert when the guys get home.
I see you in everything. You're working it all out for me. Oh, what can I do but sing and give to you all the glory? You put all my fears to rest. I bring to you my anxiety. Oh, I am forever blessed. Your passion is always chasing me. You are maker, maker of all things. You are lover of all beings, my redeemer.
Oh, careful. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Let's cut a piece. Let's cut a piece and then I'll share.
They didn't get it eaten last night, so we're eating it the next morning.
That looks good. Let's make sure we get all that filling. We don't get cheated out of a piece of...
Well, I put some cream in the bottom.
Want to try a piece? What? Oh my. Those are fresh peaches. They're making a mess. Very good.
Okay. Well, I didn't make the crust. Walnut Creek cheese or someone made the crust. Also didn't make the glaze. It was a very easy pie.
It's so unnecessary dwelling